Hi, this is Dr. Green. We are looking at web-assigned homework 1 and an example for problem number 9. So in this example, they give us some information. It says below is the number of panic attacks for 22 patients that had panic disorder, what they reported having in the previous day. And here is the data. So there's 22 values of data. The first part, they say create a simple frequency distribution. So they're looking at how the frequencies of the values are distributed for these grouped data. So they've already given us the groupings, and they want us to fill in the frequencies or the number of values that fall within that interval. So in this first interval, they want the number of values that are 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So 1 through 5 inclusive. So I think the easiest way to do this is, to write these numbers down on a piece of paper and cross them off as you go. So I'm looking for numbers between 1 and 5, and I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 values that are 1 through 5 inclusive, so that's a frequency of 5. 6 through 10, same thing, we're looking for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 1 there, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So frequency of 6. So 6 values in that range. 11 to 15, so now we're looking for 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 1 value there, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 values were in the interval 11 to 15. 16 to 20. So get that 21, that's out. Here we go. 17's in that range. That's 1, 2, 3. So 3 values in that range. And then 21 to 25. So let's see, 1, 2, and 26 is outside that range, so 2 in there. And then we would actually need 1 more range on here, or 1 more interval, in order to put that 26 in. Why don't we just do this? You can have repeated data, so why don't we just say that this 26 is a 25. So then that would make a third value down in this range here. And that is the grouped frequency distribution. So that's all they want you to do for part A. Make sure that you've got all your numbers crossed off, and make sure that these frequencies add up to the total, which in this case is 22. So 5 and 6 is 11. And then 5 and another 6 is 11, 11, 11, 22. So we've got a total of 22 values. So that checks. And then they ask us in part B, which interval has the largest frequency? So you're just looking for the highest frequency value, which is right there. And the interval is 6 to 10 here. So it's the 6 to 10 interval.